And then for our little cute turkey dies, now this one, there's a lot of pieces, I know, so you probably, what I did was I made one big bottom portion, so this way you could kind of know what order they go in. So this one, so you might want to do these with a little Sharpie marker. This is what I did. I used a little fine tip Sharpie marker, and this will be considered number 1. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab that one. Oops, sorry. Okay, let's grab that. So that's number 1, and we're going to use this to build on. Now, you don't have to use it to build on. You could go ahead and just use it as your guide, okay? So let me go ahead and grab all the little pieces here. It looks complicated, but it's so easy to put together, and it's super adorable. I absolutely love the way this came out. So let me grab all the little pieces. So I grabbed all the pieces. So that big piece would be considered number 1. And then this one here, your little pumpkin shape here, will be considered die number 2. So what you're going to go ahead, that's how you're just going to start layering everything on and work your way up. That's the best way to explain it in order for it to look, you know, the way it should, like it's supposed to look. So just go ahead and the little lumps go with the bottom portion here. So you're just going to go ahead and just do that like so. And then this part here is number 3, which is this one right here. So we're going to go ahead and put that down really quick. And then this, you could go ahead and just, like I said, you line it up with the little feathers that are on there. Just like so. Super duper adorable. So that's number 3. And then this right here is number 4. Okay, so that's the one I labeled number 4. That's going to be the next one we're going to put on. Now I am going to go ahead and just use my this adhesive, because the other thing, my little tape gun, is too thick to put on here. So we're just going to go ahead and just get this down like so. And then we're going to line this up with the bottom part there, okay? And you could do these any color you want. So that's just going to get lined up like so. Okay. And then you're going to grab these little guys here, and these, there's 2 of them, and I put a number 5 on both of them, okay? And this little guy is going to go right here, and you'll be able to see it because I made embossed little cut lines on them, and it'll show you exactly how they're supposed to go on here. So let's go ahead and put that like so on here. There we go. There goes that. And then the other one again is going to be another number 5. Let me make sure I said that right. Yeah, they're both, see, they're both like look the same, but one goes one way and one goes the opposite way. So we're going to go ahead and put that on here. So that is going to go like so. Like I said, you just line them up with the cut lines. And then number 6 looks like a little alien head there. That is going to be your number 6 die. Okay. And then that one here is, now this one here is the little tricky part. Now, like I said, you don't have to use this as, I just cut the bottom part for your guide, but this goes right here. You see? And you'll be able to see how this here, and you'll be able to line it up with this portion here. And that goes right there, and this sits like, you see this little part, this little curved line there? That's where that lies right there perfectly. Okay, now, before you put that down, you want to grab the little cutie patootie hat. This has a little cut line right here, and this is where it goes on. Now, you don't, if you don't want to use this portion, what I suggest do, cut it out right here. Okay, and if you cut it out right there, then you could be able to put the hat straight, or you could just kind of use it as is, the way it's supposed to, the way I designed it to go, just like that, with the hat sideways. Okay, so in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and glue this on here just like so. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my adhesive and kind of just put a little bit of adhesive right there. So let me make sure I kind of line the hat up perfectly here. So let me just kind of just hold that down with my fingers really quick. And then once the hat is glued onto the head, and then now we're going to go ahead and just put some adhesive on here. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and make sure, like I said, this little curve there matches up with that little curve there. And you'll know because of the way it sits on here. Just like so. Super cute. Oop, I didn't put enough glue on here. Hold on. I didn't put any glue down there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just put this on there for right now. And then, so what were we at? We were number, okay, so this was number 6. This was number 7. And I believe we're at number 8, which is this, oh, no. I was wrong. I'm wrong. I believe, here we go. This is number 8 for the little nose. And then number 9 for this little thingy there. I always called it the little gobble gobble. I don't know exactly what it's called, but you'll see what I'm talking about in a moment. So what you want to do is just grab this here, and this is going to go here. Okay, so the way I did it is and I'm going to show you, there are 2 little dots to go with the eyes. I didn't number that because I know, like I said, I know how a lot of you feel about using dies that are really small. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this on. So I'll kind of show you what you could use instead. Sorry, this video is going to be a little long, but I wanted to make sure I explained it to you perfectly. So, oh shoot, I put that upside down. Hold on. This goes like this. Okay, there you go. Let's kind of just put that on there. Okay, so now let's go ahead and do the little hat portion now. So this here is number 10. And then this is number 11. So let's go ahead and get those parts down, which is right here. Let me go ahead and put some adhesive on here. This is going to go like so. And then number 10 is that little buckle, but I need to recut it because I accidentally, when I was trying to bring all the pieces over here, I accidentally dropped it on the floor. And I don't feel like looking for it. So we put down number 10. Now we're going to go ahead and put down number 11. Like I said, it's just easier if you're not familiar with these. Just go ahead and number your dies. It'll be perfect. So we're going to put that right there. Like so. Now for the eyes. I didn't number the eyes because these are the eyes right there. But like I said, when you cut them out, they are going to be very little. Okay, like extremely small. And I know, like I said, a lot of you do not like teeny tiny dies, but I left them in there for those of you who don't mind them. And that's why I put those little cut lines right there, because that's where the eyes go, right below that. Okay, or you could just leave it just like that, you know what I'm saying? So as you could see on mine here, for my eyes on this card, I actually use some black Nuvo crystal drops, okay, because it adds dimension. That's what I use for mine. Or you could use some little, if you have like little jewels on hand, like little tiny guys. Let's see. Or we have these little by Trinity stamps. They're called black-eyed baubles, which are super cute too. If I could figure out how to open these. There we go. Okay. So these 2 will work. Let me see. Let's try and put these on. Oh, I see 2 small ones. There we go. I mean, look how cute that is. Super duper adorable. Now, if you have my little tiny, I think it's called tiny, or I forget what it's called, but they're the little holiday sentiments. They're a smaller version. You could go ahead and just, a lot of people use that on my team. It says Happy Fall. You could go ahead and stamp that on there, or however you want, everyone. I think it came out super duper cute. So of course you would glue those down, but this video has been long enough. I don't want to take time to glue that down, take more time away from you, because we have lots to see on my blog.